You alright everyone, welcome back to the London Craftsman channel, and in this video is mainly talking about our new series that we're going to be making for 2020. And the series is going to be one video a week, maybe two, all about workshop life, ranging from woodworking tutorials, how-to videos, on the tool videos, so we're going to be wearing a head cam, as I am now. All those sort of things. Any requests that you've got, we're here to answer them. We're going to be giving you an insight to our workshop, how we work in our workshop, why we've got it set up the way we do, and all other little bits and pieces. I think the most interesting bit is going to be head cam. That's a new dimension that we're adding to our videos, just so we can give you demonstrations of us actually using the tool, so you actually feel like you're using it yourself and feel like you're there. And that is what this series is all about, really. It's giving you an insight, showing you what we do, how we do it, giving you some tips and techniques and other bits and pieces, because when I was young I didn't have any of this, and to be honest, I think I would have found it interesting and helpful. For anyone who's sort of learning along the way, going to college, anyone who wants information, how things work, what things look like, why we use certain materials, how we finish certain materials, all that sort of stuff, I think is going to become very useful for you guys. Right, give you a little tour of the spray room while I'm speaking. Now this is a job that we're just finishing up. This has all been sprayed in the last few days, about 6 hours worth of spraying. 3 wardrobes actually. We've got 6 drawers, about 6 or 7 backings, shaker style doors, shelves. There we go. And that's all ready to be loaded up and take to a job. I would actually like to give you a little demonstration of our head cam and what you have to come. Got the head cam on, as you can see. You can see my hands here. I've got 2 pieces of oak veneer here, 18mm, they're off cut. Give you a little demonstration. Just say I want to cut these into 4 pieces at 250. Okay, so what I'm going to do is set my stopper up. 250, make sure it's locked in, push that all the way down. Make sure your floor is clear, your guard is on, nothing in the way on the table saw. Push anything out of the way. There we go, they're all out of the way. And what I'm going to do is have my workpiece right up against the fence and up against the stopper, nice and tight. There we go. Turn the table saw around. And go through slowly. I've got a really fine blade on it, it's a 48 tooth, I think. There we go, 1, 2. Again, push it up against the stopper, keep it nice and flat against the fence, hands out the way. 1. There we go, so 4 pieces. So that's what we got to come, just giving you little demonstrations of us using tools. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the first video. It's going to be quite an exciting one. We've got tours of the workshop as well, so we're going to be showing you our racks and all our machines and our power tools and spray room as well, how we built our racks, etc, etc. So stay tuned, more of that to come, and hope to see you in the new year. Take it easy guys, see you later, bye bye bye.